Do you want to watch TV without paying for cable? An outdoor TV antenna can be the perfect solution for this. It helps you pick up free broadcast signals so you can enjoy clear, high-quality channels without the monthly fees. If you are looking for the best outdoor TV antenna available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the Channel Master Omni Plus. The Channel Master Omni Plus is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their TV viewing experience. With its 360 degrees omni-directional design, it provides a wide coverage area of over 50 miles, ensuring you can receive a strong signal from all directions. Whether you are in a rural area or an urban setting, this antenna offers reliable reception for clear. This antenna is versatile and designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for mounting on a roof, attic, or RV. It comes with a mounting bracket that allows you to easily attach it to a wall, mast pole, or even an existing satellite mount. Installation is straightforward, so you can set it up in no time and start enjoying your favorite channels without the need for a cable subscription. The Channel Master Omni Plus is compatible with all modern HD TVs and 4K TVs, ensuring it meets the needs of today's tech-savvy consumers. The antenna's ability to pick up signals from all directions reduces the need for constant adjustments, offering a hassle-free experience. However, there are a couple of downsides to consider. The antenna's reception quality can sometimes be affected by environmental factors like tall buildings or heavy trees, which may block the signal. Additionally, while it is designed for outdoor use, extreme weather conditions could potentially affect its durability. The 4th product on this list is the Antennas Direct ClearStream Max V. The Antennas Direct ClearStream Max V is a high-performance outdoor HDTV antenna designed to provide crystal clear, high-definition TV signals. With a range of over 60 miles, this antenna is ideal for both suburban and rural areas, allowing you to enjoy network TV broadcasts without the need for cable or satellite. The ClearStream Max V features multi-directional UHF and high VHF elements, which enable it to pick up signals from multiple directions, offering more flexibility in placement and stronger reception. This antenna has a customizable design and can be mounted on a wall or an existing mast with minimal assembly required, making the setup process straightforward. The antenna is compatible with next-gen TV, 4K, 8K UHD, and full HD 1080 pixels, so you can enjoy the latest broadcast technologies without the need for an internet connection. Made from premium, durable materials, the ClearStream Max V can be installed indoors, in an attic, or outdoors, making it versatile for different environments. It includes all necessary hardware, including a steel wall bracket, adjustable mast clamp, and weather-resistant mounting components. The product also comes with a lifetime manufacturer warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. However, the antenna's performance can be affected by obstructions like trees or your home's building materials. Additionally, its beam angle of 65 degrees might limit reception in some areas. Still haven't found the best outdoor TV antenna for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the GE Ultra Pro. The GE Ultra Pro is an excellent choice for cutting the cord and enjoying local channels in high definition without the need for expensive cable or satellite services. This antenna offers enhanced reception and supports 4K Ultra HD content, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows in crystal clear 1080 pixels quality. It's a great solution for streaming digital content, while still receiving top-notch over-the-air broadcasts. With a long-range capability of up to 80 miles, the GE Ultra Pro antenna can pick up HDTV, VHF, and UHF channels, making it versatile and effective in various areas. Its universal compatibility ensures that it works with all brands of TVs and converter boxes, providing a seamless experience no matter your setup. Additionally, it can be easily installed either outdoors or in your attic, remaining out of sight while maintaining excellent signal strength. The antenna's robust design allows it to withstand harsh weather conditions. It comes with a weather-resistant mounting bracket, mast clamp, and J-mount, making installation on a wall, roof, or standard antenna mast simple and secure. The antenna is also compatible with the next-gen TV standard, offering superior picture and sound quality, faster refresh rates, and additional internet features when available. However, while the antenna offers great reception, its large size may not be suitable for all homes, and some installations may require professional assistance. The second product on this list is the Winegard Elite Pro. The Winegard Elite Pro is a top-tier outdoor TV antenna designed for easy installation and excellent signal reception. This antenna utilizes Winegard's Bluetooth SLM technology, making it simple to connect and set up. With just a few steps, connecting, downloading the app, scanning, and watching TV, users can access free 4K UHD television signals without the hassle of manual adjustments. Unlike other antennas that require multiple trials and errors to find usable signals, the Winegard Elite Pro ensures a smoother, faster setup. The antenna can capture HGTV stations from up to 70 miles away, making it perfect for watching top-rated shows, live sports, local news, and weather updates. Its integrated 20 decibels ultra-low noise digital amplifier enhances signal quality, providing clear reception with minimal interference. The app's interactive features allow users to find the best placement by offering both visual and audio indicators, eliminating the need for constant repositioning. There are also two modes for channel search, one for automatic scanning and another for fine-tuning specific channels, ensuring optimal performance. However, one potential downside is that the antenna's performance can be affected by extreme weather conditions or obstructions like tall buildings or trees. Additionally, users may need a sturdy mounting setup to ensure its stability and longevity over time. Before we reveal the best outdoor TV antenna on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our best outdoor TV antenna is the ANTOP at 800 SBS. The ANTOP at 800 SBS is designed to provide excellent reception and enhanced performance for those who want to enjoy high-quality TV viewing without the hassle of cable subscriptions. Featuring ANTOP's exclusive Smart Boost system, this antenna allows users to experience superior signal reception and clarity. The long-range capability of up to 85 miles ensures that you can access a wide range of local channels, even in areas farther away from broadcasting towers. One of the standout features of the ANTOP is its ability to connect two devices simultaneously, which makes it perfect for households with multiple TVs. The built-in adjustment dial ensures you can easily optimize the antenna's reception for the best possible signal, regardless of your location. This antenna also includes a built-in 4G LTE filter, which helps to reduce picture pixelation and interference, providing a clearer viewing experience. The multi-directional reception pattern means you don't have to constantly adjust the antenna to catch signals from different directions, offering greater convenience. Additionally, the integrated FM antenna and stylish, sleek design make the ANTOP at 800 SBS both functional and visually appealing for outdoor installation. However, one unique con of this antenna is that its large size may make installation tricky for some users, especially in areas with limited space. Another possible downside is its sensitivity to weather conditions, which could affect performance in extreme weather. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.